this is what I'm super excited about. Welcome to RGR Craft. This is the unveiling of the lost art of distillation, the Amber Kingdom. And what does that mean? That means it's this year's Flaviar Advent Calendar of whiskeys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are digging it. We are just a day or two after Thanksgiving, and I'm going to open this bad boy for you, walk you through. You can get this Advent Calendar at the link below. You can use my discount code. Make sure you check that out and use the link, because what you get is a smorgasbord here of history, of taste, palate, of everything that you're looking for. You can see there are 1 through 24 little 50 ml vials of your favorite liquor. Whatever you think you want, it's in here. I guarantee it. We're going to start here because it says start here. And as we unbox this bad boy, you're going to see it revealed. I pulled a little bit too hard and nearly ruined mine. But this is what you get out of it. This is, I think, a nicer pack, just instant reaction to last year's, where you get Flaviar original Glencairn glass that you can see through the bottom, if you have that image right. Not just one like last year's and the year prior. Now, this comes with not only how do you share it, how do you like it, and what do you get maybe the wife to enjoy. A pair of Glencairn glasses along with the book. The book that's going to take you through the journey and lead you along the way as to what is in each of these 50 ml vials. This is a little bit different way to go about it. You get more information here in the book. It's less looking up, although you can order right from Flaviar in it. This is a unique package, and one that I think they've evolved along the years, and I'm happy to say that it is back again. I'm pretty excited about it this year. I wish I had opened the box a little bit more carefully, to tell you the truth. But what you're going to end up with is a package that allows you not only to taste what you're looking for, but share that with someone as well. My wife will be partaking in this with me this year as well. If you saw last year's, you're going to get a review of each of the vials, at least so quickly as I get caught up to Christmas anyway. And we are going to start by extracting vial number 1. A little bit easier to get them out this year. And this is what the packaging looks like. You get a nice amber tone, as it says, labeled number 1. And you'll go through that. This one is particularly bottled at 41.5%. This is a U.S. whiskey. This is bottled by Alamo Distilling Company. A little bit less mystery than they've had in this box before, and one that I think lets you know what you're tasting and what you're enjoying. I really enjoy that part of it. The mystery got to be a little bit more than what we were looking for. We wanted to know what we were getting in flavor-wise so that we could get a real nice take on it and understand where we were going. That really, I think, was part of the journey last year for us. Which I did share with my wife anyway, but we're going to do that again in this set. This is the Flaviar Advent Calendar. I'm going to do a series. You're going to see me taste, and you'll have my reflections on each of these bottles as we go through. And some of the standouts from last year are still holding up. So if you want to see the rest of this, make sure you like and sub and hit the bell here on the channel on RGR Craft. We have much more coming for you. If you haven't gotten the news yet, we are expanding. Obviously, we're already into whiskey. We'll talk some wine. We'll get into cuisine as well. Everything craft, whether it's craft food, craft beverages, beer, wine, whiskey, everything that we can get our hands on. You're going to see some familiar faces around here as well. So I appreciate all your time. Happy holidays to you. These will come out in roughly a week to 10 days, and we'll start picking up the pace as we go. Have a good one. Happy holidays, and check out Flaviar. Make sure you like, sub, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time.